Hey guys, welcome back to Snapfix. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this 3x5" American Flag traveler hitch cover by THOCAC. Okay, so let's take this out. So I will remove my pin or the lock, of course. See how easy it is to remove. And this is the 2-inch standard receiver. Put it back in the same way. You don't have to push it because it is well made and well engineered. Okay, it is made by a strong steel, so when you take it out, it's feel kind of heavy. It's not some cheap plastic made that you might find it on the market. Okay, let's put it back in. See how easy it is to put in. I don't even have to look at the holes. And push my lock in there, or the pins. Okay, so when you order it, it comes like this. Okay, I picked this one off of Amazon, which I will leave the link right down below, so where you can go directly and grab one. Okay, they do make a matte black as well, so if you like the black matte black look, you can certainly order that one. I do like this one, so I picked up this one. They do have a website as well, so check it out. They do have, I believe they sell other accessories as well for cars, and if you need them, just grab them, okay? Again, I will leave that link right below, and check them out, okay? Oh yeah, the Father's Day is coming. It's made great for gifts. Also, July 4th is coming. You can definitely grab it and accessorize your car. I do get a lot of compliments when I drive around town on this one. People do ask me where I get it, so I thought to make the video for you guys as well. Again, I will leave that in the link in the comment, so just go and check them out, okay? And I hope you like the videos, and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And I hope to see you in the next video. Appreciate it.